Okay, this is the data sufficiency problem and trying to figure out if x and y are both positive. So, let me see. Both positive. So clue 1 says 2x minus 2y equals 1. And that's not going to work. Because if you randomly choose numbers, thinking about it, if I let x be 1 and y be 1/2, I get 2 minus 2 times 1/2, which is 1, equals 1, and they're both positive. But I could also choose, I could let x be -1 and y be a -3/2, and that gives me -2 minus 2 times a -3/2, which is -2 plus 3, which is 1. So I have a contradiction. Here they're both negative. So clue 1 doesn't work by itself. Clue 2 says x over y is greater than 1. Well, that tells me to be greater than 1, that means it's positive. And for that to be happening, it had to be a positive over a positive or a negative over a negative. So that doesn't work. So let's put both of them together now. So if I take my first equation, and I'm going to take it, 2x minus 2y equal 1. And I'm going to solve it for x, and then I'm going to substitute that in right there. So let's divide through by 2. That's x minus y equal 1/2. That's x equal y plus 1/2. Now let's substitute that in here. So x over y. That will be y plus 1/2 over y. Let's see if that's greater than 1. So let's manipulate the left-hand side. So the first thing I'm going to do is separate this. I'm going to divide both terms in the numerator by y. So that would give me y over y equals, y over y plus 1/2 over y. And that is 1 plus, this of course is still greater than 1, 1 plus 1 over 2y greater than 1. Now let's go back this way. Subtract 1 from both sides, you get 1 over 2y is greater than 0. Well, the only way for that to be greater than 0, y would have to be greater than 0. So if y is greater than 0, it's positive. And because of clue 2, that means x would also have to be positive. So the answer is C. If you put them both together, it works.